This is a special episode. We have the team of Foundry with us today. So WTF guys, incentive भी होना चाहिए ना? जैसे Foundry में 25% equity है, 4 crores of funding है. So यहाँ पर up to 4 crores of funding है. यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही special brand, nothing to do with Foundry people, nothing to do with Kishore Biyani, but we have Super You hampers for the winner. Round of applause. Thank you, Super You. इसमें से रणवीर सिंह निकल कर आएगा जब आप घर जाएंगे.
This is a simple show. 4 rounds and 1 couch. We ask questions and you yell the answers.
So even if it's wrong answer, it's okay?
No, the right answer is okay.
If you're the first to get it right, congratulations. You are now in the next round.
Hey, I got 3, okay, about.
Round 1 needs 1 right answer. Round 2 needs 2. Round 3 needs 3. You see the pattern.
What if 3 लोगों ने चिल्लाया जोर से? Who will decide who was the first?
Exactly, that's me. It's very humiliating to get out in the first round.
If you've understood the rules so far, you're already doing better than our host. In the finale, the first player to yell 4 correct answers wins the prize.
Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Question number 1. Which film features the iconic line मेरे पास माँ है?
दीवार
दीवार नहीं? Good job though, good job. Foundry team, somebody has qualified. Which Bollywood actor is known as Greek god?
ऋतिक
Sorry
यार
guys, Ashvi.
Oh, nice.
You guys can make a case if you guys think you've done it.
I did I said before
Okay. Just catch me, please. I will decide. What's the name of the fictional kingdom in Bahubali?
Oh.
We don't have a game.
Hint
Starts with an M. Wow.
मुझे नहीं पता
Well, the answer is. How many of you have seen Bahubali?
Me I love Rana Daggubati but don't know the name of the mythical
The name of the fictional kingdom is Maheshwari.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, simple. In 3 Idiots, what is Rancho's full name? Full name.
Punsuk Wangdu no अरे
Again.
Ranchor Das Chachar.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Ranchor Das, Shamal Das.
I feel like she
But
did
Rachna really said the Shamal Das.
really means what
What was Amazon originally called?
I know this
Issues at store.
He's the one who's going to answer.
No.
क्या सुन पहन के आया है?
We nominate him. Naman.
What was Amazon?
Naman, go for it. Yes, you can do
I
it.
know what Zomato was called before okay?
इसके बाद भी आपका question करा तो मेरा answer सही है. Okay, how many sides does a hexagon have?
8
Six.
Yes, Mr. Santosh. Hey guys,
that's octagon
how many bones?
206
How many
okay
bones?
girl
How many bones do sharks have?
0.
Yes, none is the answer. 0 is also the answer, but she said it first. Naman, please pull up your socks. What is the name of Google's parent company?
alphabet
Nikhil has said it before you. What gas do plants absorb from the air for photosynthesis?
Carbon
carbon
dioxide.
dioxide
Naman has said it before you. It's not the right answer. It's the fastest right answer. Okay, we have one last question. Only one of you will make it. And then the rest of you will be sadly parting ways. What messaging app was acquired for $19 billion by Facebook?
WhatsApp
Yes, Vishwani. You made it. Don't say duh, you just made it. Which planet has the most moons?
Jupiter. Yes, 12.
Pluto
Saturn.
Yes.
Yes.
Saturn.
Yes.
You have one.
एक ही हुआ अभी.
Sorry,
इतना
I got
confident कि दोनों दूसरे को validate कर दिया.
Saturn.
Yes.
What is the study of earthquakes called?
Seismology.
Yes,
He got it. He got it. He got it. His Sesmo came before your Sesmos. Which planet in our solar system does not have any natural satellite?
Mercury.
Yes, Mercury, and he has qualified for the next round. Which singer is also known as the Nightingale of India?
Lata
He
Mangeshkar.
got it. He got it. You guys did before. In Jab We Met, what is the name of Geet's hometown?
Punjab.
Batinda. No.
Wow, Batinda. It's actually-
She won on Hrithik Roshan before this one.
Which Bollywood actor's real name is Vishal Devgan?
Ajay Devgan.
Yes. That's
Was that an actual question?
Yeah, that's your first right one. What is the name of Zomato's parent company?
Eternal.
Look it.
Yeah.
What do the letters D2C stand for?
I said it first. Direct to consumer.
Director.
No. I said it first.
Delhi
Bilal?
Transport Corporation.
I think it's Arush. I'm sorry. Arush
Any
qualified.
prizes are cancelled.
Ooh la la. In Jab We Met, which hotel in Ratlam do Geet and Aditya stop at?
Hotel Descent.
Yes. One. What was the original name of Blinkit before Zomato acquired it?
Grofers.
There we go. You have qualified and you can move on. Which Indian beauty brand was launched by Katrina Kaif?
K-beauty.
Yes, Naman, one answer. What is Mr. Big's real name in Sex and the City? Sorry, wrong audience. Next question. Which city will host the 2028 Olympic Games?
Paris. No.
US.
No. LA.
Russia.
Tokyo.
Yeah. Yes.
LA?
Yes.
Okay.
Los Angeles. Okay, you
Okay.
qualified. You qualified with this very underwhelming answer. What is the signature food dish served at Wimbledon?
Strawberries and cream.
Yes!
Yes. Oh my
I
god.
love it, bro. You're so good at this. On which scale are earthquakes?
Richter. I said it.
Richter scale.
Richter scale. Bilal.
I give it to Vishwani.
What?
Yeah, because I said it. He saw me.
She did, yeah.
She did.
She did, yes.
What's the smallest country in the world?
Vatican.
This I said it.
I feel like Raman said it though.
He said it first.
Yeah, fine.
Naman, not bad, guys.
I feel like there should be a half prize also.
Which is the only country that's also a continent?
Australia.
She got it. Wow.
All right, now we kind of-
competitive round, I must say. What is the name of the sequel of Munna Bhai MBBS?
Munna
Lage
Lage Raho.
I said it.
Ashley said it.
Just give her the Bollywood answer. Yeah, she knows it.
Oh, I said returns here.
I said two.
Which Munna Bhai said. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe?
Ferritin. It's ferritin actually.
No, but it's iron.
Yeah, okay.
ठीक है आपका सवाल गलत है. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice?
Westeros.
Norway? Korea?
Fire and ice. Iceland.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Little, yeah, we should have
How many
known.
words?
I said Norway.
Yes,
Two.
Okay. Which sport would you hear terms like bogey and birdie?
Golf.
God, you got it,
I
you
said
got it,
golf.
you got it.
No, it's Santosh.
He had first.
Okay, I feel like we have a
Who is known as the king of clay in tennis?
Rafael Nadal.
Yes, and you have made it. It's not an exciting question.
I mean, that's a you problem.
Name this 2017 Bollywood movie featuring Kangana Ranaut, Saif Ali Khan, and Shahid Kapoor.
What?
Yeah, it's not an exciting question. But is there a movie?
Kangana with Saif?
Kangana with
And
Saif
Shahid?
and
Yeah,
Shahid.
I didn't know that.
Maybe it was so bad that we just don't know.
Which fashion D2C brand was started by Virat Kohli?
118.
That's
That's his parent company.
Wrong. No, that's not.
Yes.
Yeah.
R-O-N-G, yeah.
W-R-O-G-N-G.
Yes,
Oh my
you're
God.
right. Which global co-working startup was founded by
WeWork.
Adam Newell?
He did.
Naman 1. Which online travel platform uses the tagline "Dil to roaming hai"?
Make no.
Yatra.
Make my trip.
Yes.
Yeah, I said it first.
You didn't acknowledge.
You need to believe in yourself.
I'm so sorry. I apologize.
SRK, Ranbir Kapoor, and Alia Bhatt starred together in a popular ad for which brand? Okay, a hint
Yeah.
was a steel brand.
Jindal
JSW.
Tata Steel.
Sorry, guys.
Adani.
नहीं वैसे
चलते रहो.
Which cartoon character lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Yes.
इसमें कोई chance ही नहीं था.
All the brain rot questions. Which celebrity inspired the creation of Google Images?
Jennifer Lopez.
There we go. The disappointment of Santosh.
क्या सवाल पूछते हो यार?
Who directed the Before Sunrise trilogy?
David Linklater.
Huh?
David Linklater.
You are almost right.
Richard Linklater.
Richard.
Yes! I'm feeding off.
What's the national sport of Japan?
Rugby. Soccer.
Sumo.
Yes! Sumo wrestling is the right answer. Whitney Wolf Herd founded which popular dating app?
Bumble.
Bumble. Okay, he got
I
it.
said Bumble first.
No, you said.
You went. How many keys does a piano have?
28.
128.
108.
28.
Let me give it to you guys, and all of you have gotten the 8 right. For some reason, but the answer is
118?
8 and 8, 88. What's the term for animals that can live both in water
Amphibians. Oh, he got it again.
and land? Yes. How many chambers does a human heart have?
4.
4. 3.
Let's go.
Four.
All three.
So now it's 3, 3, and 3. The next answer wins, basically. What? Wait, let me see all the questions. Which one is the most mind-boggling one?
I think something Bollywood.
Okay. Should be the dumb question, you know.
Oh God.
Which vegetable was first to be grown in space?
Potato.
Yes, the answer is potato.
The man in the suit wins.
Look in the camera. Congratulations, super you. Suit पहनने का फायदा होता है मैं बता रहा हूँ. He doesn't just look smart, he's also smart. Thank you. Please tune into the next episode if there is one.